Picture this snow-capped Alps glittering in the winter sun, charming Christmas markets, and world-class slopes calling your name. From the legendary Swiss peaks to Austria's cozy mountain villages, Europe's winter wonderland is waiting. Whether you're carving fresh powder or sipping mulled wine at magical Christmas markets, your perfect winter escape starts here. Experienced snowboarder? First-time skier? No problem. We've got packages for every skill level at Europe's top resorts. Think Chamonix, St. Moritz, and Kitzbühel without breaking the bank. At TravelBucks.com, we're slashing prices on premium ski packages, mountain view accommodations, equipment rentals, expert-led lessons. Book now and save big on round-trip flights, resort transfers, lift passes, holiday events, and tours. Don't let winter slip away. Contact TravelBucks.com today for exclusive deals on your European ski adventure. To visit TravelBucks.com. Your winter wonderland awaits.